morning, loud sound. Everybody, welcome back to another video today. There's a new melon playground called... Well, I can't remember what it's called, but it's very cool. It has no bots. Let's go. Yeah, I haven't played it since like December. But I think I played in... Yeah, I played in January, but we're back. Here we go. Oh, a honjing bing chilling. Okay. It's so funny. Oh, is that Justin Bieber? Yeah. I think I will make an original how the next bots come here now. Let's go to Russia and see how Russia looks. Russia's down here. Okay. It's so clean, dude. It's so satisfying. It's so satisfying. Like, wait a minute. Wait, if the bots are gone, how will be named Nico's next one? Ooh. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Huh? Wait, is it calling me tall? Which I am. This is a big place. I wonder if the next boss hiding here. Wait, if the next one. Ow! What are they doing? They're inside there. What are you doing inside there, bro? This is cool, dude. This is no man. Okay, never mind. I turned it back. But look. Alright, I like it. I really like how the lava okay, let's just go. Whoa! Jump! Oh! Yay, we did it. Wait, whoa! Very dark. Piece of crap. Mom, wait, jump in! Jump! No! Oh. I will buy my hips. Jump! Anything here that could open, let's see. Ooh! Nothing. Ow, what the hell? You. Oh, what's here? Whoa! Bum bam boo 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 boo. Wow, it's a very cool place. Oh, it's a casino, I think. Wait, isn't this like the Five Nights at Freddy's? FNF. Friday Night Funkin'. Oh no, not this place. Oh, that's disgusting. Let's dance, guys. Let's dance. Alright, let's see. I go down and down, but pat up, pound. Yeah. Okay, look weird. Bro, faceless, just a cat. An ugly. Wow, an ugly cat. You hear me? An ugly cat. Everybody. Morning, by the way, loud noises. I'm definitely gonna get traumatized for loud noises. Okay. Okay. I'll just find something and then we're gonna go. Just walking around a little city with a little pea in my panties and my panties. Oh, hey guys. Oh, what's up, guys? It's a truck. It's a little truck, by the way. Oh, this is a ladder. Whee! Whoa, yeah, wee. Wait, I think I was here before. I want to go to that smoke thing. I wonder if I can go. Rumble. Oh, no. Hey, it's 8011. 8011. Hey, 8011. A 12 and what the hell, dude? What the hell? Wait, that's the back door. Oh, I think it works on the back. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, no. I'm getting traumatized, but that was what? I think this is where I got. Yo, wait. This was in the last video where I saw that, and like dude jump. I think no. Wait, so. Calm down. I'm gonna. This isn't where I got. What? This isn't where I got in the last video. What? Wait, let's just return climb. This isn't the place, I think, because the place was bigger than like an ant grass and it has a. I mean grass, not bash. I'm gonna swear. That's why I'm bad. Let's not. It becomes. I wonder if I can jump. I think I can. Oh, what? No! Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait a minute. I remember now. This is where I got on the last video. Bro, what? Oh, wait. Here, jump. No! Come on. Put your radio. Shout it. This is the place. Oh my god. Let me up. You stupid. Come on. Jump. No. Oh, I lost my life. Yeah, this is where it was. Yeah, slowly. Now run. Jump like a boss. Yeah, this is where it happened last time. Yeah. The video, it is not the place I was expecting, but instead, we cannot jump over there. Let's try jumping here. Jump. Yeah. Okay. Well, goodbye, world. Oh, let's go here. Okay. Let's go. Slowly. So, okay, this is... Oh, it's a room. Wow. Room. I made a pool. Okay. Going down. Down until I'm brown. Guys, comment what game you want me to play in Roblox, a horror game, next time. Comment. Okay, so by ending this video, I think I want to slap myself in here. Yeah, let's dance by ending this video. I'll dance with my pants. Yeah, let's slap myself. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and